Welcome to day five, guys. Right? Yeah, we're in day five. So I intentionally want to skip this part, right? Because there's no course you watch online when it comes to online courses. They'll talk about mindset in your first or second videos, right? But I intentionally wanted to skip it before because all these things you guys don't hear them back to back. Most of you have gotten different courses. They'll talk about mindset. Your mindset go a long way, this and that. But trust me, I would love to say if you want to give up, give up. Because this era we are now, then time no dey to pamper anybody. The truth is, the less you enter the business, the better for myself. Someone that is greedy as me, right? That's why you see people tends to not want to give updates on some things because the more people, like, let's say for instance, I'm writing cookbook, for instance. Only me writing cookbook, I'm making it 1,000 USD like almost every month with it. But once 10 other people enter the niche, 20 other people enter the niche, 100 other people enter the niche, the what's it called? My book sales will drop drastically because we are trying to kind of sharing the sales, right? So I would like to tell you, if you want to give up, give up. That's too harsh, right? But the honest truth is, for you to make it in life, as outside Amazon KDP now, you need to work on your mindset. If you started feeling you started writing, right? Because you write your first 10 books before I give you out to create an account. That's what I'm telling you now. When you start writing, you have that curiosity to want to quick publish one or two books and be expecting $1,000. It doesn't work that way. Your mindset is what will keep you going. And the way I train my mentee, you don't need to look at your sales dashboard. What you just need to look at is keep publishing. You can publish for the next 10, 20, 30 days and you not see one sales. But guess what? Your books are there, right? Your books are there. If your account is active for the next 10 years, so far you have written those books, either 50, 100, 200 books in your account, I can tell you for free, a month will not go by. Let's, for instance, you have like 500, what's it called? 100 to 200 books in your account. A month will not go by without you having a minimum of, make sales at all. Let's say bad month, $100. At the moment, $100 in Nigerian currency is about 150, 140, 150, 170, depending on the dollar rate, right? And that's minimum. And for the rest of your life, again, month in, month out, every 29th of every month, Amazon will keep sending you your money. And your book will keep on sending. That's what we call recurring income. So, guys, I don't want to sound harsh, but if you want to give up, I better give up. I want the strong minded people, right? Let's go on this journey together. If I have someone that can ginger me the way I'm gingering you guys now, when I started, or more, by now maybe I could only make like 50,000 USD on a monthly basis. But guess what? I don't have anybody to ginger me. And what the only thing that ginger me is I'm the firstborn of my family. I have kids to take care of. I have bills to pay, and I want to live a comfortable lifestyle, right? That I can travel around the world. That's only my own ginger. So I don't have anybody to advise me. Mama, don't give up. Now me know what I want, and I don't want my children. My most ginger is I don't want my children when they grow up. They say they are from a poor family, right? Now, what I wanted to teach today before I said let me just talk about mindsets. We are proceeding, right? We are progressing. Today we will be talking about the tools, right? The application you'll be using for the business moving forward, right? You'll be watching. Can I use my phone? I don't have a laptop. Can I do it? Hello, in short, the highest sales I've gotten in a book, one single book before. Wait, before I say it, okay, may I not lie? I don't like lying. My first highest money, let me put it that way. The first highest money I made that opened my eyes that money is the KDB business. So I wrote it with my phone. This particular phone here. Please transfer that phone to me. That's why one of the reasons I don't want to this particular Hawaii. That night I was about sleeping. So I saw then I was writing on trend. I just saw this news. That was in 2023. Yeah. That fire outbreak that happened in Hawaii. Why is the name? I don't even think I see the name of this phone. So you want to look like the same state. There's fire outbreak that happened in 2023 on the 10th of October precisely in Hawaii that burned for over like 7 to 14 days. I remember. So I wrote that particular book with this phone. Then I have a laptop. But that laptop they lag like waiting I don't know. Right. But my laptop was dead, no light. I just have to use my phone to write it. And guess what? That book changed the story for me till today. I hardly change phones though. I hardly change because of information on my phone. I either buy more phone with to my add to my phone. So, like I was saying, tools you can use your phone, you can use your laptop. I won't sugarcoat anything for you, right? You can start with your phone, but immediately you lay your hands on laptop, start using laptop, bro. It's sweet die on laptop because it's stress free. You can copy and paste with ease. I'm not gonna lie for you, because they want. Thank God you're not even paying me to hear this. Because they want to get your money. You can start with a smartphone. Yes, you can start Amazon KDP with your smartphone. But if you have a laptop, it will make your life easier. I can tell you for free. It can make your life easier. So look for start if it's smartphone you have. Start with your smartphone and make sure you work your fucking ass out. Sorry to use the F word. Make sure you work your ass out with your phone so that you'll be able to upgrade between 60 days. Sorry, between 60, 90, or 180 days. You change from phone to laptop. And I can tell you for free, I'll say it again and again. Letting you switch to your laptop, bro. If you are doing 2 books per day on your phone, on your laptop, you're able to do 9 books in a day. Yeah, my teaching, you can do 9 books in a day. I've written 9 books in a day before. Right? Those are your tools, number one. Number two, definitely now, for you watching this video, you have internet on your phone, your data. You need to spend on data. But the good part is you're just writing books. You're not downloading videos. You're not uploading videos. The thing you're uploading is books. So you don't need like no personally because I do video, I'm doing to YouTube automation now. I did minimum plus or minus 18 plus 18. That's 8 plus 6, 16. That almost 36k data on a monthly basis for me because I'm doing more than what's it called, Amazon KDP now, right? I do YouTube automation. Maybe pretty much later, if I have the chance, I'll be teaching about YouTube automation. But now I'm focusing to teach what Amazon KDP is all about, right? Your phone, your laptop, you can work with it. Next is which application do you feel or you will need? Hello. Like I said, you might be watching this video before and you have, you might be watching this video and you must have learned Amazon KDP before now. They will tell you need Publisher Rockets, you need BookBeam, you need this, you need that. I'm not saying those things no they work. But me, as you see me, you like my chair as I roll for my chair. You like as I put Everwater for here. At least, I don't know if you have seen the setup of my room before or not because I'm recording from my room, right? I don't know if you have seen my laptop before. All the money I use in doing all this is from Amazon KDP. And I can tell you for free, I never buy Publisher Rocket before. I never buy BookBeam before. I never buy review. Because like I said, you might be watching this video and you might know about Amazon KDP before you stumble on my video and you feel, let me listen to what this guy have to say. All what I have been doing are organic sales. And the only tools that me, Nelcon, I'm using for over going to 4 years now. One, Google Doc. I told you when I started this video and this training, I said you should get your pen and jotter. You need Google Doc. Google Doc is like Microsoft Word, but the Google version. Right, everything that Microsoft Office has, Google has it. Either Microsoft, what's it called? Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, name it. I'm not saying that's what you need, but Google have it. The difference between the Microsoft own and the Google own is the Google own you have to have internet to use it. But for Microsoft, if you install it on your PC, you need to install the application. That means you need to get the software, install it on your phone or on your on your laptop. You don't need internet after you install. But for this, you need internet. And why I prefer using Google Doc is it's easier for me, right? Instead of using Microsoft Word. If I'm going out, like let's say I travel out of Lagos, because I live in Lagos, I don't have my laptop with me. But the fact I have the access to my Gmail, anywhere I find myself, I can log in my Gmail on anybody's laptop. All my work, I know such is applicable on Microsoft as well, but most of us in Nigeria, we don't used to log into our Microsoft account. We just once we have the software, we are good to go. But for Google, all of us, almost everybody has Gmail account, right? So for me, I prefer using Google Doc, and it's much more easier for me. It's not too complicated. So what I'm using is what I'll be teaching you guys. Number one on my list, like I said, is Google Doc. Number two, you need is Canva. Canva is what we use in designing our book cover. All the book cover I've been doing, I don't know if I'll be sharing few of my book cover pictures here. I'll be using Canva. I've been using Canva. So you need Canva. And for Canva, I can't really remember now. I guess the monthly subscription, yeah, you need money, but you don't need too much money. Monthly subscription for Canva is, I guess, 2,500 naira. But there are some hack that people use to like do a year, pay 1,000, do a year plan. You'll be able to use it for 1 year. Maybe after we are done with this training, I can be able to, like, if I have the hack, I can sell it to you guys. Yes, I'll be selling it. There's something I'll still sell for you. I no go sugarcoat anything. There are some things I will still sell to you pretty much later. But at the moment, let's acquire the knowledge, right? After acquiring the knowledge, without even buying anything from me, you can start making money, right? So, like I said, what did I mention? Canva. The Canva Pro, because for you to download, you can use the Canva free, the free version to start. Yeah, you can use the free version to start. But for you to download your what's it called? In short, you need Canva Pro. You need Canva Pro because what I will be teaching now is different from what I knew when I started a year or 2 years ago. Because now AI has come to stay out, and we'll be using AI to generate our. You see this cover now. This cover you are seeing here, they are top-notch covers. And for you to have this top-notch cover, you need to use with the help of AI and just slight editing on Canva to just get it out. And you need the pro version. I don't like to. You need the pro version. So I might not talk about the free version. Next is ChatGPT. I believe everybody should know ChatGPT now, right? Don't worry with the prompting. I know without prompting, you might not get the best result out of ChatGPT. But guess what? Nelcon is here for you. So you use ChatGPT, and ChatGPT at the moment is $20 per month. But I have a platform, a community whereby group of people come together. We pay a token of 3,500 naira on a monthly basis, right? On a monthly basis, I give you access to it. So basically, what we are doing is, instead of me or instead of someone that is still newbie like you're watching now, you can't even afford 3,500. Sorry, you can afford 3,500. Sorry to say, I'm not trying to bully you or say such word. You can't just drop $20,000. Sorry, $20, and $20 should be around. $20 should be. Let me check. Let's say dollars is 1.4. I don't want to use 1.5, right? So 1.4. Where's my calculator now? So I have 120 times 1,400. So it's 28,000 naira on a monthly basis. So instead of you just paying 28 or 30 or 33,000, depending on the dollar rate when you're about to do it, you just join a community, a group of, let's say 10, 20, 15, depending on what we are using it for, right? But we are using it for book. So we just pay 3,500 on a monthly basis. We share the same login and we use it. Don't worry, we don't delete people's work. Your job, we won't delete it. Just keep right. I've been using it for over. I have community on this for almost. It will be by February. It will be a year that we have been doing it back to back, and nobody's come. Though initially, like I said, I won't lie to you. Initially, some people are sharing the login, sharing with other people. Just add it so it will be lagging. But later, I find a way out to sort it out without lagging, where I can control the people that sign into the account, right? So yeah, that's just 35. That's from me. If you're getting it from me, but you can get it cheaper or way higher from any other people. And that's what we are doing in this business. Even other businesses that we use ChatGPT, instead of paying $20 or $200, depending on the plan you want to do, but we are doing the plan of $20. So you need ChatGPT. What did I mention? I mentioned Google Doc. I mentioned Canva. I mentioned ChatGPT. See that 3 things is all you need. Let me check before that's basically what you need. Google Doc for how Nelcon wants to teach Amazon KDP. Google Doc, Canva, ChatGPT, and your smartphone or your laptop is all you need. And like I said, you can use the free version to start. ChatGPT has the free version, but guess what? The paid version is what will give you updated information, right? Or you can use the free version, like I said, if you get what again. Those are the tools you need, and your data, very, very important. Normally, for you to watch this video, you are using data to watch it. So, guys, Tomorrow, I guess, which is day 6, I guess we'll be talking about niche. You should understand. You'll be like, this guy just can't dey talk. Funny enough, I don't use scripts to do my videos. You can watch some of my videos on YouTube. I don't script because the knowledge is there. If you jam me for road, you say, Nelcon, Alpha, come teach my community. I want to pay like 2 million. Come and teach my community Amazon KDP. As I stand for there, I'll break everything down from beginning to the end, and you start making your money because I'm bad. So, guys, we will be starting our writing properly on or before the 10, right? But I'm just sharing this information so that you get prepared and you won't see it as, because if I bombard you with the information, you might find it difficult to watch, right? And I'm trying as much as possible not my video to be up to 20 minutes. I don't know how many minutes because today I catch cruise where as they hear me. So it's as simple as that, guy. See you tomorrow. See you in the next video, and bye for now.